Hi there, it's Nigel from Caramentis. Today we're going to take a look at one of our 9 essential eforms and processes that we use here at Caramentis to ensure compliance with ISO 9001 and 27001. So all of our eforms and processes are built using our own electronic form building application called InfoCapture. The process to design and implement is similar in all cases. So let's just take a look at our form for our risks and opportunities management process, as risk management is such an essential aspect of compliance. Here we can see that we've laid out a form that exactly meets our needs. Your own version would of course be slightly different. The form is dynamic. For example, it calculates the risk category and will react to values entered in real time, such as the checkbox further action required, which will immediately show an area for capturing the required action. We've also specified the users who can submit risks in this case and which users can manage them. And for each of these roles, and these will be different from project to project, we can precisely control their rights to take various actions, such as update a risk or add a note or even delete them. This is how most of our processes work. A broader audience, even all registered users for example, can make a request, and specific teams manage them and provide relevant data. We've also specified the statuses that this process goes through. Here there are actually 5 of them, including management review and closed at the end of the process. We can also define triggers, for example when the risk is high, and take action based on those triggers. We can control field visibility for various users at various stages, making the form optimal and clear for every user at every step of the process. We can also define notifications and set rules on when the team should be notified, for example, when a new risk is identified. We can also set out the main columns that should appear when the team are reviewing the lists and managing them. Searching, including advanced searching, allows the team to find any particular risk or type of risk to take the appropriate action. And finally, full reports and component summaries are available, especially useful for managers and auditors. So that was one example from the 9 forms and processes that we use to ensure compliance with standards that are very important for our company and of course for our customers. If you would like any further information or a chance to discuss your own compliance needs with us and be shown more of these capabilities, please just let us know. Many thanks.